dry, the weather is warmed up, and it's time to plant your tomatoes. What we have here are some recommendations for how tomatoes should be planted, and this is how we plant our tomatoes, and it makes for a lot of tomatoes and a tasty tomato. I have a tomato plant here, and the first item that we would recommend is tomato tone. With tomato tone, you would just take a handful of it when you plant the plant and put it right around the plant, just a handful of this fertilizer. And that's all it's going to need for the slow release. This is a slow release fertilizer. Then another item we would recommend, this is fish and seaweed emulsion. And this is awesome. This helps make for a really tasty tomato, and it helps keep disease away. What we do is we use the fish and seaweed emulsion once a week. You add it to a watering can of water, and you just water it into your tomatoes. You could also water it on the foliage. It's good for the foliage. It helps keep some of those diseases away that tomatoes tend to get. We have basil here, and basil just helps keep some insects away, and it's just a great pairing with tomatoes. And the last item we have here is some lobster compost. The lobster compost is a soil conditioner. It's made with both lobster, the scraps from lobster and the shells, which have decomposed, and it's combined with sphagnum peat moss. And we would recommend taking this bag and adding it to your garden, and it helps condition the soil and makes for a real flavorful tomato, and whatever veggies you have in your garden will taste better. So we would recommend all of these, and this is actually what we do with our tomato plants when we plant them.